entry. There's an idiot in the landing zone.
Oh, God.
What's up, regular size man?
Ooh, I can cook that. I have the perfect taco recipe to add to your Endgame menu. No time travel required. Also, if you want more fictional food in your feed, don't forget to subscribe to keep your feed fed. We'll start with ground beef, and to that we'll add the infinity seasonings. We're using some salt, pepper, oregano, red pepper flakes, cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, and smoked paprika. A little squeeze of lime and a splash of water will bring everything together. Since I'm using extra lean ground beef, the water helps to soften the meat as it cooks and helps to make it super tender. We'll want to sort of break down the beef so that the seasoning gets mixed in and infuses with the beef as it cooks. Once the beef is browning, we'll toss in some minced onion and garlic. The key here is to let everything simmer until most of the liquid has evaporated, giving us an incredibly tender and flavorful taco filling. One of my favorite ways to get the perfect mince to the meat is to use a meat spatula. It helps to chop up the ground beef further, making it into a finer texture for the taco filling. If you have a meat spatula, use it to break everything down into a fine, crumbly texture. I find the more minced you can get it, the better. If you don't have a meat spatula, don't worry, I'll leave a link in the description for you. But otherwise, a regular spatula works just as well. It just takes a little bit more effort to get the perfect mince. Now, let's talk tacos. I'm going with hard shells since that's what we saw in the movie, but if you're team soft taco, no judgment here. You just must really like Captain America. Fill them up with the seasoned beef, but don't pack it in too tight. Be sure to leave a little bit of room for the toppings that will inevitably be blown off by a nearby spaceship landing. Speaking of toppings, I've got a secret to keeping everything fresh. All you need is a sling ring to open a portal to the produce drawer. We'll be adding finely minced sweet onion, diced fresh tomato, and some shredded cheddar cheese. And don't forget to close the portal when you're done. The last thing you need is the multiverse messing with your fridge functions. To finish the tacos, I'm adding some of Hulk's verde salsa for a bit of heat. You can find the recipe linked in my notes below. And don't forget to top it off with shredded lettuce straight from Thanos' garden. Just be careful not to snap the universe out of existence as you sprinkle on the last bit. Finally, I want to make these tacos bite-sized, so we'll grab a couple Pim particle discs. One to shrink them, and one to bring them back to the perfect size. What you end up with is perfect bite-sized tacos. Whether you're Ant-Man or regular-sized man, these Pim particle tacos are exactly what you need for an Avengers movie night. Speaking of a theme night, I made these tacos for my fellow foodie friend over on Instagram, Make Some Magic Dinner, where she's put together a full Endgame theme menu over on her Instagram and TikTok pages. Go check out her menu and let her know the starving chef sent you. What fictional feast should I make next? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to flip that sub button and ring the dinner bell so you can be notified of my latest recipes and foodie adventures that I post every week. Do you ever get hungry? You can find this recipe and many more with ingredient amounts and step-by-step instructions over on thestarvingchefblog.com. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next episode.